Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about something magical, Christmas decoration. If you want your home to look warm, cozy and festive this holiday season, I have got some amazing and easy ideas for you. So let's jump right into it and bring the holiday spirit to life. Classic Christmas tree decor. You don't need expensive ornaments. Mix simple items like string lights, ribbons, bows, and handmade decorations. Choose a theme red and gold, silver and blue, or even natural wood tones. Add a cozy tree skit at the bottom and a shining star on top. Your tree will look picture perfect in no time. Warm and cozy string lights. Wrap them around windows, mirrors, doorways, or even along your shelves. You can choose warm yellow lights for a soft, cozy feeling or colorful lights for a fun, playful look. Lights instantly make your home feel festive and magical like a holiday movie. Diverse and Grandlands, a beautiful wreath on your front door set in the perfect holiday mood. Festive table decor. Your dining table is the center of holiday celebration. Cozy corner decor. Create a small Christmas corner in your home. Window and wall decoration. Don't forget the walls and windows. Die crafts for kids and family. Christmas is all about togetherness. Make salt ornaments, paint ponies, or create small paper crafts with your kids or family. These handmade decorations add a personal touch and become sweet memories you will cherish forever. Christmas decorations don't have to be expensive. With simple lights, grand lamps, home crafts, and warm colors, you can turn your home into a magical holiday paradise. The most important part is the feeling, joy, warmth, and love. So decorate with heart, enjoy the process, and make this Christmas truly special. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Happy decoration and Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you again.